Hi friends, I'm Megan, and today's video is brought to you by Studio M Squared, our modern pattern brand. If you love quilts, bags, and garments, and especially the idea of quiltwear, you're gonna love this one. We recently launched a brand new quiltwear pattern, the Sunset Shift. It's a simple, modern, dartless, and sleeveless shift dress that turns a quilt top into something stylish and wearable. It's comfortable, versatile, and a really fun way to showcase patchwork in a whole new way. It includes two versions. View A is unlined and View B is fully lined. For the unlined version, you could use a piece of patchwork, maybe that you sewed together with a serger so it has finished seams, or if you wanted to use a fun cheater print that is fabric yardage but looks like patchwork, you would make View A. That's the unlined version. If you have patchwork with unfinished seams, or if it's made with a more sheer fabric, you would make View B. That is the fully lined version. So what I have here is View B in progress. This is a custom piece of patchwork that I actually created just for this garment. I simply sewed together 6-inch squares turned on point and made two pieces, each large enough to fit the pattern pieces. So this is sewn up to the point of step 7, where you need what is called the burrito method to sew the outside of the dress to the lining at the armholes. If you've never heard of the burrito method before, it might sound a little silly, but trust me, it's a game changer for clean, professional finishes. Some people find this a little bit tricky, but it's really quite easy. So let's get into it.
I'm going to start sewing with this armhole first, the one at the bottom of the screen. So with the dress laid out like this, just start rolling it up at the opposite side. And this is where we're starting to create the burrito that gives this method its name. Just keep rolling until about half to a third of the garment is rolled up. Then you're going to grab the top layer of fabric, the dress exterior, and bring it up and over the top of the roll. Then grab the roll, lift it up and towards you, and this will sort of naturally cause the dress exterior and lining to start to come right sides together. Line up the dress exterior and the lining. Pin first at the shoulder seams, making sure they're matched up, then work your way out to the side seams one at a time. Now take this to the machine and sew it with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Okay, so I've just sewn the armhole. Now let's turn it right side out. To do that, you just reach in between the layers and start pulling out the rolled up fabric. Just keep on pulling until the whole garment is turned right side out. All right, it's looking good. Now take this to your ironing station and give the armhole a good press. One armhole's done, let's do the other. Now we roll the garment on the sewn side. Again, roll it up about 2/3 of the way. Pick up the dress exterior, bring it up over the roll. Pick the roll up and start to get the dress and lining right sides together. Align the shoulder seams and pin, and then work your way out to the side seams. Okay, the second armhole is sewn. Reach in and pull the burrito out. And finally, give this side a good press.
So that's step 7 of the Sunset Shift simplified. Now all that's left is the side seams and the hem. If you're excited to try it, you can grab the Sunset Shift pattern from Studio M Squared. I'll drop the link in the description below. And if you want more tutorials, inspiration, and pattern walkthroughs, be sure to subscribe to the Society Studio channel. We'll have lots more coming your way from Studio M Squared, Urban Society, and Society Kids. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.